Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to change your Microsoft Teams background before joining a meeting or before starting a meeting. Okay, so now let's start the meeting. Okay, so you just simply click on the Meet Now option and then you just have to change the meeting link. And then click on Start Meeting. All right, and then right here, you have to make sure that you have turned on your camera. Okay, so let me just turn on my camera. Okay, so just simply click on this one. Okay, and then after that, you just have to click on this background filters. And then here, you just have to choose your background. Okay, so once you have finalized your background, now you're ready to join the meeting. So just simply close this one and click on this join now option. Okay, so once you're on the meeting, you have now this background. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.